Hello everyone, it's Sean. And for $2 I picked this up at the Value Village. And if I'm right, this will allow me to put the screw... Oh dear. I'm not right. However, you can at least fit the magnifying glass in there. Let's see what else can fit in there that is something I use frequently that I don't want to leave lying around. The random Q-tips I'm using, those can fit in there. The toothpicks can go on the top drawer, I'm sure. There you go. Yeah. The tweezers might be able to fit here. There you go. And that way you can turn this thing into something useful. Go like this, and you'll be able to see all three things that are in it and have it on the thing, the mat. Perfect. And I can bring it in any model box when I bring it to a hobby club meeting with the little tools inside. So a very miniature tool chest. That's what that will be serving as.